Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to hide photos and videos in OPPO F21 Pro smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, we need to open the app drawer, then swipe up and choose the option called the Phone Manager from the list. Now we need to click on the Tools, the bottom tab. Now you can see in the privacy option, you can see the private safe here. You need to click on that. Now click agree and continue. If you come this area for first time, you need to set the privacy password first. I already set the privacy password, so I enter the 6-digit privacy password. Now you need to click on images and videos and click plus icon. Now the gallery items displayed here. So click the items you want to hide, then click set as private. Now the images added to the private folder. So this image is not appeared in gallery or any other applications anymore. So if you want to access the private area again, you need to open the photos applications or my files applications and click and hold the photos this area. Now we need to enter the privacy password. Then you can access the photos and videos. So if you want to unhide them, you need to click on the edit and choose the item you want to unhide, then set as public and choose the folder you want to. Now the photos is appeared into the public. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. Like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.